In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 things you need to do or be doing currently so that you can get visa sponsorship. If you are an international student and you want to get visa sponsorship to stay back in a developed country and work. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Cynthia. I share information that will help your transition into the UK to be as smooth as possible. I also talk about settling, working, traveling and studying in the UK, US, Canada. If any of these countries interest you, watch this video till the end. I always drop a video every week so that you would be well informed on what you have to do to move to the next level. I want you to grow. I drag you to success because I want you to succeed. So if you like the vibe here, click on the subscribe button. Share this video right now with your family and friends, those people that are struggling to get visa sponsorship and they are wondering, what do I do? I don't want to be in this situation where I'm anxious towards the end of my studies. So what do I do right now? Just share this video. Hit on the share button right now. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. Now, there are 5 things I'm going to be sharing. These things will help you move to the next level. And I'll break it down. If you apply these things, in fact, let me tell you the truth. My students that have visa sponsorship in their area of specialization apply these things, and that is the reason why they have a job right now. The first one is boot camps. Now, I've explained it previously. Boot camps are just 1 or 2 days, sometimes a week. It won't take so much of your time. I know you are busy pursuing a care job, trying to pay your bills, warehouse job. Don't be distracted by that. The core reason why you're in the UK right now is to study and also gain some work experience. I'll be able to get that certificate of sponsorship or visa sponsorship or employment-based green card or move to the next level. Don't be distracted by, I have to get all the money. Money is good, but bring out time for boot camps. And if you want to find out, just Google your area of specialization and boot camps and see if there's anyone around you. See, many universities offer boot camps too, so don't sleep on it. Approach your university, write to the head of department and ask if they have boot camps or they are aware of anything like that that could help you. Seriously, you need to get on board with boot camps right now, because when you put it in your CV, it shows that you have acquired some skills and you show some level of work experience. It means you have worked with other people. You're not just someone that has a master's degree for 1 year. You are much more than that. I have one I'm going to put in the description box. It's for the UK government is offering some boot camps, but there are rules around there. I think you have to spend up to 3 years in the UK, so it might not qualify. But if you know someone out there that qualifies for something like this, because you're going to be picking up some important skills, please share that link with that person so that the person can hop on board. Now, the next one is career services. Every university, in fact, I'm yet to see any university that does not have career services or offer career services to their students. And these things are free. I don't know why many of us don't attend such things. Why don't you attend such things? It will help you if you can attend career services, seminars, workshops, trainings. They will train you on how to apply for a job. You need someone to train you or mentor you through the process so that you don't make mistakes. If not, it's just like using an axe to cut down a tree. The axe is very blunt and you're just hitting on the tree. It just keeps bouncing off. It won't do anything. The tree will not shake until you sharpen that axe. And then you start cutting. You can now increase your chances of cutting that tree and reduce the time it will take to cut the tree down. That is the reason why you need to go to your university and attend career services trainings and workshops. If you are embarrassed by it, you can ask people that will help you with the CV customization. There are people that are experienced. Use paid services, use career agencies. Pay for it if you are too ashamed to use the one in your university. There are many of them on the internet that will help you towards customizing your CV. I offer one-on-one CV customization. You can send me a DM through my Facebook, that's Cynthia Academy, and I could be able to ask you about your skills, your experiences, the type of qualification you have, be able to tailor your past role to a job description so that you can score high on the ATS system. I train and prepare you for interviews. I also prepare you for a good cover letter. It depends on what your needs are. I will tailor your needs so that you'll be able to land that dream job. Now, the next one we're going to talk about is internships. Many people are concentrating on, care jobs, warehouse jobs, but when it comes to training, as in internships where they can pick up skills, people hesitate. I don't know why. And some people say that they find it very difficult to get internship opportunities. See, the main reason why many people don't get jobs is because they leave job application to 6 months before their student visa expires. You shouldn't be doing that. Your job application process should never stop. It should have started before you apply for the master's. I'm very serious. Before you apply for a master's degree, the first thing you should do is find out what is the end goal. What are the things I need to get to that end goal? Maybe the end goal for you is, I want a master's so I can get a job that will give visa sponsorship. So what you should do is, okay, before I choose these courses, let me find out the job opportunities in this course. You can find out the salary they'll pay you, what are the qualifications, what are the things that the employers need. You check out the job description for each role. Find out whether your school curriculum covers all those things that they wrote in the job advert. And if your school curriculum doesn't cover it, you look for top up. And that leads me to free certifications or skills you can acquire. I'm going to put a link because I'm generous. I like you to get all the best things. So I'm going to put in a link in the description box so that you can just attend some of them online, get the certification so that you can boost your CV. See, if your CV has only master's degree, like you've made a distinction, everybody has it. Many people have the same thing. So what can you put in on your CV to make you stand out? You need to get some skills. I said technical skills. One time my friend sent me a message, God bless her. She said, why are you always telling people to go for technical skills, acquire technical skills? Many British people are not technical like that. And that's the bingo. That's the point. I love her for that. She looks at all my videos. She tries to criticize me and tell me how I can be better. And she told me, she's British anyway, and she told me that British people are not technical like that. And I was like, oh, that is the gap. And that is where international students can fill in that gap. That gap is there. When it comes to data analysis, tech and non-tech jobs where there are some level of skills, I'm talking about technical skills, you will get a job because there is a high demand. There's this huge demand for tech roles. And if you have those skills, you would get a job. As I'm talking about internship opportunities, you should be searching every day. Try your best to keep searching the internet for internship opportunities. And the first place you should go when you are looking for a job is your school. Oh my goodness. Do you know your school is a mini county? Do you know that? Many schools, okay, let me use the school I studied in. My school has hotels, hostels, gyms, sports centers. I'm talking about big sports centers. And some of these places, you need to swap your card to go in. My school has research institutes, of course, departments. It also has a church. It's also affiliated to a hospital. Oh my goodness, do you know the number of job roles that make that hospital function effectively? If you don't know, I studied at the University of Nottingham, and I'm telling you the things that University of Nottingham has. The first place you should be looking for a job is in the university. Another thing is, while I was a student, I was a laboratory demonstrator. So that's something you can do. I also did assistant invigilation jobs, I also did, there are so many of them anyway. Even being a tech support person for the IT services in your school, where you can help with repairing laptops, fixing software issues, troubleshooting. Seriously, these are really flexible jobs that the university can offer you. If you're looking for internship opportunities, I shared about Amazon internship opportunities. I also shared about 10,000 internship foundation opportunity. Just keep checking. There are many other opportunities, but you can use Google, you can use LinkedIn, Read, Indeed, Adzuna, Monster. There are so many of them. Also know that there are jobs like research associate positions or teaching assistant, hourly paid lecturer. These are opportunities you can explore. Also, you can try checking whether your university has Unitemps. The next one is your LinkedIn profile. If you are not on LinkedIn, what is the color of your problem? You need to be on LinkedIn. You need to be able to showcase your skills. That's where you'll be interacting with people that are giants in your industry. And you cannot say, I need a job, I need connections, when there is a platform where you can actually connect or build those connections. Post on your LinkedIn profile, pin your skills, show that you are open to work, interact with people in your industry or those people that occupy a role that you want to fill in, and ask them, hello, my name is this, are you recruiting? If you are recruiting, please, I'm open to work. Some people will ignore you, but don't take it personally. Just move to the next person. Learn to eat rejections for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Swallow it with pride and move forward. One DM can make you victorious. And the next one is skills portfolio. You know what? I'm going to create a video on how you can create a good skills portfolio on Canva and just pin it on your LinkedIn or GitHub if you are into tech. People are looking for friendly, vibrant, people that are inclusive, people that are fun to work with and also have the skill set. People would like to employ people that they can get along with, not somebody that with a negative vibe all the time. If you're a new student, please start cracking on all these things. Start gathering your documents, your skills, acquiring other skills apart from your masters. Make sure you excel in your masters, because if you don't excel in your masters, it becomes a problem. You won't be able to graduate, and that is a problem. Now, also, if you brush up your LinkedIn and start interacting with people, you will increase your chances of getting a job. And do not limit yourself. I wish you the best. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.